We're surrounded by machines, and everything around us is only going to get smarter every single day. From the coffee maker that understands how we like a coffee in the morning, to the car that drives us to work every day, to the bed that we sleep in, which records how well we slept the previous night. Technology is allowing us to securely quantify this data that was never possible before. So, with all this instrumentation and telemetry that really provides rich sources of contextual data, we have an opportunity to create new systems and services that could utilize this information to enable larger and more broader services. This opens up a whole new canvas to make computing invisible by putting the human at the middle of the entire end-to-end experience, where the systems can anticipate their next likely step and automate things safely and securely for them.